Hi, my name is Jennifer Hood and I am our online training specialist at ClearTouch Interactive in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I want to show you a quick overview of our Lessons app in Snowflake. If you will start by launching Snowflake, go to the spindle that says Tools at the top and hit Lessons. This is going to open our Lessons app and it goes directly into our Lessons community. Within the Lessons community, we have over 150,000 lessons available to you. You can scroll through or you can do search at the top. Search criteria can be age group, subject, lesson type, or language. So if I find a lesson that I want to use, I just tap on that lesson and then hit play. This particular lesson has a YouTube video attached to it, which will open first. If I want to get out of that YouTube video, I just hit the X and it goes directly into my activity. When I'm ready to go back into my Lessons community, I can simply go into Lessons Home. Every time I click on a video or an activity within the community, it is going to add automatically to My Lessons. And notice I'm using the side navigation bar over here to get into there. So here's the activity that I just clicked on in our community. If I decide that I don't want that in my lessons, I can tap the three dots or the ellipses and hit delete. And that will remove it from my lessons list. If I want to organize my lessons by topic or any sort of criteria that you choose, you can create a list and then populate that list with the lessons that fall under that category. For example, I have a playlist of plants lessons that I found in the community. And I also have a playlist of third grade specific content for different subject areas. So you can create however you would like your list to be. Also, you can go into favorites. This is where your favorites will be stored. In order to favorite a lesson, you're just going to hit the star that's right there in the top left corner, and then your favorites will actually be added to the spindle within Snowflake so that you can access those particular activities quickly. This has been a brief overview of lessons. If you would like more information about lessons or you would like to dive more deeply into this software, follow the links below or get registered for the Academy online through getcleartouch.com. It is a free resource that includes step-by-step videos as well as step-by-step PDF guides where you can dive deeply into the software at your own pace. Thank you so much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.